Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with legislature. So, what do you mean by legislature? Legislature is an organ of government which makes the laws of the government. Okay. So, in legislature we have two houses. One is Lok Sabha and another one is Rajya Sabha. We will discuss about these legislature in this particular chapter. So, how is the Lok Sabha formed? Lok Sabha is known as the lower house of the parliament, having 545 members in maximum. All these members are directly elected by the people. ठीक है ना? The election for the election of these Lok Sabha members, the country is divided into different constituencies, and from each constituency one member is elected, and two Anglo Indians were nominated for it by the president. So what is a money bill? A money bill contains the matters like imposing, reducing expenditure, loans and payments. A money bill can be only present in Lok Sabha by a minister, not in Rajya Sabha. मनी बिल एक ऐसा बिल है बेटा जो सिर्फ लोकसभा में प्रेजेंट होगा, राज्यसभा में प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा. बाकी कोई भी बिल ऐसा होगा जो एनी ऑफ द हाउसेस, ठीक है ना, कैन बी प्रेजेंटेड एनी ऑफ द हाउस, बट अ मनी बिल इज ओनली प्रेजेंटेड बाय अ मिनिस्टर इन लोकसभा. ठीक है ना. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर? It is having a governor, as I have already discussed with you, one or two houses of legislature. ठीक है ना. One is legislative assembly and another one is legislative council. In almost all the states of India having one house of legislature, but in 6 states, in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu Kashmir, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, they are having bicameral legislature, but rest all of the states are having unicameral legislature. So what are the qualifications for the membership of a legislative assembly? He must be a citizen of India, having age of 25 years. He must not having any office of profit. He must not be unsound mind. ठीक है ना. So mention the qualification for a member of Legislative Council, citizen of India again. He must not be less than 30 years of age. He should not be holding any office of profit under the government of India. He should not be unsound mind. He should not be disqualified as a member of council. What do you mean by an ordinary bill? An ordinary bill are concerned with the matters that can money matters. These are the two types with the government introduced by a minister or a private member's bill introduced by a minister, ठीक है ना, or a member of parliament. So why do we need a parliament? We need a parliament for law making, for help the people to hold a representative accountable. All political processes take place in democratic manner. So for these purpose, mention the difference between a bill and a law. A bill are the resolutions introduced in the parliament for law making purposes. When a bill is passed by both the houses, sanctioned by the president, it becomes a law. ठीक है ना. कोई भी बिल वो लॉ तब तक नहीं बन सकता जब तक प्रेसिडेंट उसको सेंशन ना दे दे. ठीक है ना. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द प्रेसिडेंट टू गेट साइंड अ बिल टू मेक इट अ लॉ. ठीक है ना. सो व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ legislature? The legislature is to enact laws, to control the finance of the country, to amend the constitution if required. Legislature is an organ of the government to frame laws of the nation along with the expressions of people in which all the section of the society can participate. So how is the Lok Sabha speaker elected? The speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected by the members of parliament in the first sitting of the new government. He or she belongs to the party having majority in the Lok Sabha. He or she supported to conduct the proceedings of the parliament in an impartial manner. सबसे पहली बात होती है कि वो इम्पार्शियल मैनर से अपना जो सदन की कार्रवाई है उसको चेक करेगा. ठीक है ना. Legislature is of can be of two types. One is bicameral and another one is unicameral. Bicameral has having two houses, USA, India, Switzerland, Canada, UK. ठीक है ना. They are having two houses. One is the House of Commons and in India it has Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. ठीक है. Unicameral means having a single house, as in Pakistan, Finland, China, Portugal, Czechoslovakia are having the unicameral legislature. So what are the qualifications? The qualification are the same of a member of Lok Sabha. He should not be less than 25 years. He must be a citizen of India. He has not having any office of profit under the government of India. No criminal case should be pending against him. ठीक है ना? His name should be in the voter list. How is the Rajya Sabha formed? Rajya Sabha is having, it is the upper house of parliament and it is having 250 members. Out of the 250, 12 are elected by the president who have distinctions in the various fields. जो different different fields के जो extra ordinary people होते हैं उनको president जो होता है वो as a member of लोक सभा nominate कर सकता है. They can be either from the field of entertainment, either from the sports or any other science and technology that may be also included. ठीक है ना? The rest of the members are elected from the state legislative assemblies. ठीक है ना? It has a tenure of 6 years and 1/3 of members get retired after every 2 years के बाद उसके 1/3 means it is a permanent house. ठीक है ना? And the qualifications, he must be a citizen of India, not less than 30 years of age. He has not holding any office of profit. He has not be in a criminal case. He has to be possess the qualification as determined by the parliament. What are the powers of the speaker? He meetings जो है he presides all the meetings of the Lok Sabha. He appoints the chairperson and the members of selected committees. He enjoys the power grant permission for the introduction of bill in the house. ठीक है ना? The members are elected by for the legislative assembly are elected by the concerned state on the basis of universal adult franchises. Every state is again divided into constituencies on the basis of the population, and each constituency, each member has been elected. For those, the voters can participate in the elections whose name is there in the voter list. So these are the important questions of the chapter for today, beta. Rest I will discuss in the next class. So have a good day for today, students.